Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download the YouTube app on a MacBook. All right, let's begin. First, open Safari on your MacBook. Once Safari is open, head over to the official YouTube website by typing youtube.com into the address bar and pressing enter. After the website loads, click on File in the top navigation menu. From the drop-down list, scroll down and select the option called Add to Dock. A small pop-up window will appear where you can choose the name of the app, you can leave it as YouTube, and then click on Add. If you don't see the Add to Dock option, make sure your MacBook is fully updated because older macOS versions may not support this feature. Once added, you'll see the YouTube icon appear in your dock. You can now click on it anytime to open YouTube as its own standalone application, instead of using it inside a browser tab. The app will work independently from Safari, meaning you can close the browser completely while the YouTube app stays open and running on your MacBook. So that's basically how you can download the YouTube app on a MacBook. That's it for this video. Thanks.